Hello dear kids, this is Alka Mehrotra and you all are watching Curiosity Solver. अभी तक के सारे वीडियोस आप सबने देखे and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe it. Share it with your friends. Okay? Because I'm very much disappointed if people are not subscribing the channel. Chalo, okay now. Let's just jokes apart. Now we are going to focus on our next topic. We are going to discuss about adjectives today. बहुत nominal topic होता है. But when you will go through it, when you will go deep down into it, you will come to know so many things that are related to adjectives. इतने सारे उसकी varieties होती हैं. There are so many parts in which adjectives are divided. How we can change adjectives from a noun, from a verb. मैं सारी चीज़ों के बारे में आप सबसे बात करूँगी. But basically, in the very first video, at least we should know about what adjectives are. अगर हमसे पूछा जाता है most of the times when your teacher asks what is an adjective, at that time what do you say? Most of the children used to say ma'am describing words. आप में से कितने बच्चों को ऐसा मालूम है कि describing words exactly होते क्या हैं? See, when you are describing about a noun word, like आप किसी पर्सन के बारे में, किसी चीज़ के बारे में, किसी प्लेस के बारे में, किसी एनिमल के बारे में, दे ऑल आर नाउन, यू नो इट वेरी वेल. जब आप उनके लिए कोई वर्ड ऐड करते हैं, जब आप उन्हें डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि जैसे कोई मोटा है, पतला है, सुंदर है, बदसूरत है, इस तरह के जब आप वर्ड्स यूज़ करेंगे, तेज़ दौड़ता है, उसका कलर क्या है, उसकी शेप क्या है, कितने नंबर्स हैं, ये सारे वर्ड्स जब नाउन्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, तब हम उन्हें एडजेक्टिव्स की फॉर्म में रखते हैं. ऑलराइट, so I think it is all clear to you. Whenever we use a word that describes noun or pronoun, that comes into the part of adjectives. तो चलिए यहाँ पर हमारे पास कुछ sentences हैं that we are going to discuss today. यहाँ पर बोर्ड पर कुछ sentences लिखे हुए हैं. Just go through the sentences. See, Delhi is a big city. The city of Delhi is big. Here are 5 books and each boy got a prize. ये sentences देखकर बहुत easy लग रहा होगा ना? Yes ma'am, we know where adjectives are given. Right? तो चलिए थोड़ा सा discussion कर लेते हैं. Delhi is a big city. Here I have underlined a noun word also. And this is an adjective. कैसे adjective हुआ ये? क्यों? क्योंकि noun हमारा city है and just before that we have applied a word that is adjective. हम उसे describe कर रहे हैं. It's a big city. Which city is big? Delhi. Right? अब यही sentence मैंने थोड़ा सा change करके like in a predicate style I have used. The city of Delhi is big. See, word adjective is same. Big is an adjective. But here it is coming just after a verb. Delhi is a proper noun. ये मालूम है आप सबको what is proper noun and what is common noun, and I have discussed it in the starting video when I started talking about parts of speech. हम लोगों ने noun में discuss किया. I hope you understand that. Okay? तो Delhi it's a proper noun and then after I have applied a verb. उसके बाद हमने adjective use किया. तो ये क्या हुआ? ये adjective style है but ये predicate में आ गया ना. It's a predicate part. That is why ये adjective हमने use किया predicatively. Clear? अगला देखिए, here are 5 books. मैंने आपको बोला था, सी वी आर नॉट ओनली डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द क्वालिटी. अगर हम नंबर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, अगर हम उसकी शेप के बारे में बात करते हैं, दे ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. 5 नंबर है, इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव एंड हियर ईच बॉय गॉट अ प्राइज. यहाँ पर ईच भी एक एडजेक्टिव है. ये कैसे एडजेक्टिव है और इसके कितने पार्ट्स हैं, कैसे आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन कौन से वर्ड्स एडजेक्टिव होते हैं, वो तब पता चलेगा जब आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. यहाँ बोर्ड पर आपको क्लियर होगा that there are 7 kinds of adjectives and that we will discuss in these videos. Like all the kinds will not be discussed in the same video. I shall upload some more videos which are related to that. क्योंकि अगर हम किसी चीज़ को बहुत thoroughly समझना चाहते हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है हमें उसे टाइम देना होगा. एंड आई हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, इवन इट हैपन्स टू मी ऑल्सो, जब मैं बहुत लॉन्ग वीडियोज़ देखती हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे ड्यूरेशन के मैं वीडियोज़ देखती हूँ, तो मैं खुद बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो जाती हूँ. सो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू एनी टॉपिक वी शुड लर्न इट, वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट थारली. So now first we should discuss about all kinds of adjectives. हमें बात करनी है adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, number. Numbers are there, it's a very important part. Adjective of number, then demonstrative adjectives, उसके बाद interrogative है, exclamatory है, possessive है. ये सारे words बहुत सुने हुए लग रहे होंगे ना. इस तरह के सारे पार्ट्स हम लोगों ने प्रोनाउंस में भी पढ़े हैं. आई होप यू रिमेंबर दैट. और आगे भी हम लोग जब एडवर्ब्स वगैरह के बारे में बात करेंगे, वी विल गो थ्रू विद सेम काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स. लेकिन उनका यूज कैसे होता है, दैट ओनली वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन वी विल गो थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, पर्टिकुलर काइंड. जब मैं बात करूंगी एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में, साथ ही साथ मैं आपको बताऊंगी इफ इट विल बी यूज इन दैट वे, सो दैट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. और अगर हम उसे थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे, थोड़े से ट्विस्ट और टर्न्स देंगे, इट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. फाइन. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? लेट्स स्टार्ट. हमारा सबसे पहला टॉपिक है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. We have given a second name to it. We all have seen such kind of word, and that is descriptive adjective. What does it mean if we are talking about descriptive adjectives? Means you are describing someone. When you are describing about the kind of anything, quality, characteristics, whatever is there, something special is there, something bad is there, which kind of a person he is or she is, that only come in adjective of quality, right? Here, when you will see such kind of word, like just mark some descriptive adjectives. So that doesn't mean that you should get confused at that time. You shouldn't be, because if it is written descriptive, that means you have to mark only the quality of that particular noun. Okay, it will be regarded as adjective of quality. See, she is a beautiful girl. What is the quality in this sentence of that girl? Beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. It's a quality. Then after, I have learned the French language. Which language? Which kind of language I have learned? French language specifically. Okay. So it is known as adjective of quality. Then after, see the third one. The clever, old, black crow sits on big pillar. Here so many qualities are given, like the crow is clever also, old also, black. There are three different qualities in that. And on which pillar he is sitting? He sits on big pillar, right? So big is the quality of pillar. So I hope it is clear to you all. When we will talk about description of anything, any person, any animal, any place, it will be regarded as adjective of quality. Now the second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. See, we are not talking about exact quantity of anything. Here with these sentences you will come to know how much is needed for that. Okay, they will not tell you how many kilos or liters and all that. No, no, no. They will only specify this with using such kind of word. How much? Like you have written, give me some water. They are not telling you exact quantity. Some water. It can be little more, anything can be there. Then after, much cement is needed in building. How much? That is not defined here. See, these type of adjectives are, when we use them in the sentences, we most of the time apply such kind of words like little, enough, all, half, sufficient. But have you ever think about it, whether they are telling you any kind of number or how much quantity they require? No. But these words are actually meant when we use specific words. They tell you about the quantity. Okay. So these are the adjective words. Quality is completely different and quantity is different. Okay. That will not tell you anything specific. But still, if you have seen such kind of words in the sentences, you will mark them as adjective of quantity. See, I think these 2 points are quite clear to you all. But it is important, children, that you should go through the exercises. Okay, I will try my level best to give you some sentences. I will make shorts also to clarify your doubts. But it is important that if you are having any kind of confusion in such kind of sentences, do message me. Again, I'm telling you to please like, share, and subscribe, and just show it to your friends also so that they can understand the basic terms of grammar. Stay safe, stay in your home. Thank you.